With anticipation as Elon Musk hints at new possibilities for Dogecoin, the meme-based digital currency that has captured the hearts of many. Known for his unpredictable influence on markets, Musk's latest tweets and statements have left analysts scrambling to decipher potential implications. Potential integration with emerging technologies. One of the most exciting possibilities is the integration of Dogecoin with upcoming technologies spearheaded by Musk's own ventures. Speculation has intensified around the potential for Dogecoin to play a role in Musk's ambitious Neuralink project. Could Dogecoin become a transactional currency in the brain-computer interface systems of the future? The synergy between cryptocurrency and bioengineering platforms remains unexplored, yet ripe with potential. The Tesla connection. Moreover, Musk's announcement that Tesla is considering accepting Dogecoin for payment on select products has added another layer of intrigue. If implemented, this would mark the first time a major automaker integrates a meme coin into its operational strategy. This potential adoption could not only elevate Dogecoin's market value but also set a precedent for other companies exploring cryptocurrency transactions. Impact on the crypto community. The impact on the crypto community has been noteworthy. Dogecoin holders eagerly watch Musk's every move, while blockchain enthusiasts assess the broader implications for altcoins. The influence of celebrity endorsement in the crypto space is undeniable, making it essential for investors and developers to understand the potential pathways Dogecoin could take under Musk's influence. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: Elon Musk's relationship with Dogecoin continues to generate excitement and speculation across the globe. Cryptocurrency in 2025, predicting Dogecoin's future amidst risk and reward. As Elon Musk continues to be a pivotal influencer in the cryptocurrency landscape, investors are keenly evaluating the prospects of digital currencies like Dogecoin. Beyond the immediate implications of Musk's ventures, there are broader aspects of cryptocurrency that investors should consider, especially as they plan for 2025 and beyond. Cryptocurrency rate predictions for 2025. The forecast for the crypto market in 2025 suggests a more mature and stabilized environment. Many experts predict a significant rise in digital currency valuations, assuming ongoing adoption and technological advancements. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain solid investments, meme-based currencies like Dogecoin could see varying fortunes depending on integration with new technologies or corporate endorsements. Investment risks and considerations. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves substantial risks. The market's volatility can lead to significant price fluctuations, influenced by regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market sentiment. Investors need to be wary of these risks and consider diversified portfolios to hedge against potential losses. In the case of Dogecoin, its value is heavily tied to community sentiment and endorsements, making it more susceptible to sudden shifts. Pros and cons of investing in cryptocurrencies. The pros of investing in cryptocurrencies include high potential returns, decentralized control, and the novel technological underpinnings of blockchain systems. However, investors face cons such as regulatory uncertainty, cybersecurity threats, and the inherent volatility of the market. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Controversies surrounding cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been at the center of various controversies, including illegal activities, regulatory challenges, and environmental concerns surrounding their energy consumption. These factors contribute to the debate on the sustainability and ethical considerations of cryptocurrency investments.